I will give you. I want to give you your money now. Ute Yameo, but now I want to give you back your stupid money. To let you know, say I pass you. Because for you to draw me back that money, it shows that you are envious of me. It shows that you are jealous of me. Who were wearing Facebook imagine? Iyore. Who were wearing Facebook imagine? Every year feel with you. Oh, man, not let YouTube at mama me. Who were wearing it at my the good me. Give me your account. I will send you your 500 euro now. Paratapa share. Give it to me now. Yeah, it didn't go now, cash. Because I see no reason why you will go and post my mom's picture on your platform. With me, man, I feel quite good. This one my new account, so I just put that one here. Maybe people will know say I did live for my new account. You're backing. If you don't need a platform, they know that you are the enemy of Edo land. But they are coming there always to let you know that you can help them. When me neck buwe for the vision now. Uheita uwe ege Juliet Orena after body shaming her, after humiliating her. Nene Juliet in the now the platform away. Well, I say, Mommy Iyore. Juliet, have you apologized to all the Edo people that stood by you when Iyore humiliated you? Inigo Iyore didn't win now. Inigo Iyore didn't win now. Juliet, how much Iyore give you? Can't you come on live video with your platform to tell the Benin that you need money so that they can support you direct? Why must 500,000? EJ. I don't finish. Not tell me say na 500,000. No. I don't like this thing. Not tell me say this na 500,000. How much you already give her? Inigo. Even if na 10 million naira. Even if not 10 million. After you don't appreciate Iyore, why you not go appreciate the real Edo people, presenters and bloggers who stand by you? Why you not go appreciate them, Juliet? I even hear that say they insult some of the bloggers and what's it called? Presenters who stand by you when Iyore bully you. I not blame you because why? Poverty can make you do what you are not supposed to do. But Iyore, look me very well. Iye Juliet. Wow, I'm not Juliet. If you feel that you can oppress me without your stupid 500 Nurieme, I'm already don't know where you go. Now you tell me, are you coming for phone say you want give me money? You not to say you want borrow me, but when original meteo di merigo ni nuwe we because we on ba e wuki Mariana e wuki Mariavi. After don't show my give palace today, see they dress like queen. Iyore, if you like, put bead for head, use that thing sew your tutu. You are Oyomba for life. Oyomba forever. That's who you are. If it's short for you, go Benin. Iyore, if it's short for you, go Benin. Go back to Benin City. If it's short for you, go back to Edo State. As other people they go for visit, may you dress say you want go for visit. No, I go for visit. No, I get that my ban. No, I get they pet ye. No, I get that my mo ni ladian. That your small toto. No, I get that my mo ladian on social media now. No, I get to my woman because I want not feel no get where. Oh, you know, ya when we talk. Oh, Bawa, enak banu nyere. What if you beg your Bawa there? No, go the bed or Egbema ho Iyore. I put it to you today. We Egbema ho. Egbega ho we. Okay, so you mumu like this. I don't know. Let me block your father. I will mute you. I will block you. You not go fit comment. Ogori agbe Iyore. Iyore no your Mose no your ban or France. Ogori agbe. And you know that you left. And I went that way konari anyway. I wear a mama so mama. Oh. Ugi wene. Now to donate there. Now we go massive. After humiliating her. Why did you not bring her to your platform before and donate for her? Poverty is a bastard. Poverty is a bastard, Iyore. Poverty is a bastard. You take advantage of that woman because she could not feed. You take advantage of that woman because she could not afford 3 square meals a day. She could not afford zero. She could not afford 111 in a day. That's morning food, afternoon food, and evening food. That is the reason why you take advantage of her. My mother's younger sister that sold my mother out on social media, I not forgive her till today, till tomorrow. Tina momo, ogun ya gbe tina momo. Kikiye kusazena beme. Oti yeme ya hiyo. For life enemy mahi. Ya sunu. They sold my mother out on social media year 2022. The people they sell out to, will they play today? But you will send my mama out. I can never forgive you. So Iyore wa fi where may forgive what then you must be a fool to think women may I forgive her. I am the first son of my mother. So nobody me toss no Wesley. I will bury my mom myself. I don't need any of their stupid family to come and bury my mom. That's to tell you the hatred when I get from my mama family. Till today to tomorrow, I still get that hatred for them. Till today to tomorrow. You not get the kind of apology where they apologize to me, when I can't listen to today, not they. So Iyore, for you to go put my mama picture for your platform, or soon. My mama get pikin on a J. When my me get book wefo, where I'm your goma. Iyore, if you really dey see vision, why you not stay with one man? If you really dey see vision, Iyore, why you don't know say Ovigbo not love you for more than 10-15 years? Where they stay with Igbo man? If you really dey see vision, if that your God, they really they talk to you because you see that your God, now I tell you say me come saga Juliet. You see that your God tell you me come saga Juliet for public. Me if I give her now that your God so that go kill you. Because I'm not sure say now that God when me they serve, now you they serve. Because the God when you say he tell you me he come saga Juliet first. Now embarrassing God you get. You have embarrassing gods. Not be the God where they serve, you they serve. Now that your small ojuju way you put for yourself where they call your God. Now you tell me if you can't disgrace her first. If not be say bloggers come as I can't attack you, presenters come as I can't attack you. You will not give that woman one error. Go and see Superior today now. Superior is still a drunkard in Edo State. They will not me fiangba Superior Iyore. They will not me fiangba. They will not me fiangba. Ide. Till today till tomorrow. Superior is still a drunkard. When Superior come my platform that I tell say, let's take this boy to the hospital. You say no, say you want give her wife. If una way they go Iyore platform, if I don't know today, may time one away. Ogyoba and Iyore. Una said that for me. Good. Then any get to send the government. Ogyoba and Iyore. Iyore is an Ogyoba, the enemy of Edo land. That is who she is. All these one where she they do so, all these one where she they do so, she's just doing it for people to see if they can be able to love her. But with your bobo you don't. You are already an Ogyoba already. If you like, donate 100 million naira for people, you are Ogyoba for life. Because I'm Webok Bweredo. Everybody see, if I am Webok Bweredo. When I'm Webok Bwe, when you are to society way, go Bwe. Now the person will get picture they come on me, Iyore. What it make you mommy? What you are working mommy? What it qualify you to the answer that name mommy? No one it here mommy Iyore no go on belu wa gon wa sungu. Why? No mommy de gbe no mi ogere. You say me not get document, Abi. Shebi they laugh me with document. And I go still laugh you with what you not get. Do you have a child? One more two. Yes. Since you said that thing will pay me and you use that thing mock me, you not still get picking too. Me get picking, you get document. That's all I be. One more. You may be here, man. I'm here. We be here. But I never hear what the for you talk say. I your documents now. Hope you sleep well. Me never hear that kind of thing once. Now what for you? Now what for you too? Now what for you too? You cannot mock me with what you know say I not get. Maybe not mock you with what you not get. You do not have a child too. A grandma biohin. That guy a grandma biohin. Picking pass document. My children get, right? Me not get. Me ever be. What do you make him ever be? Where you want more? Where you want more? Can I be okay to agree with that? Yes, if you don't want me to laugh you that you don't have a child, if you not talk that word, say I don't get document. Do me, I do you got all the verse. Because you should know that if you love me that I don't have a document, I will come for you that you don't have a child. It's zero, it's vice versa. That is it. It is aura for, I say talk this thing. It is aura for, I'm a Jay-Z now. It is aura for aura. Aganoma bien. Me, I don't accept my own. Maybe I be jobless at Duro. Maybe I don't have document. I don't have a document. You don't laugh me. Yes, I use a robot. May you see use your own robot. Your way a robot no good boy. I don't have a document, but my children have. I have a child. I have 5 children. 5. I have one in Nigeria. I have 4 years, 5 children. I can call anyone and they will come and answer me. When anybody call me on phone, they will say, how is the children? I say, they are fine. Give your passport. They don't ask of your passport. Then they ask of your France passport. I can take my children out for shopping. Or flares, or dinner table, family table. Carry your France passport, go flares out. Go and feed your France passport, she's hungry. Away. If you're the 10 person, God, remember said the T1 and the 10 person go come tell and wait till strong pass that one. No, me you saw to Iyore daddy. Children are responsibility. Anybody who tells you children are responsibility, not know their self. You will want the responsibility to your parents too. I don't like children. Shut up! If your papa say they don't like picky, they for not born you. Children is a responsibility too. Go and feed your France passport if they're hungry. You never feed that. Go and bath your France passport. Me for sleepwear. You say me not fit come up for Germany. Okay, I agree. If they go, they carry your children for school. I be go, they carry your passport for school. Children pass France passport. A child, better than house. Because the last saga they can't beg make I leave you, so now they swear. Again, that's to laugh you. I forgive this one.
She begging because of the money she's going to get
from next
them.
time.
What?
Next time, we know how to talk for matter. Wow. See why they reply everybody will message you. Say you saw the net. Where did they discharge you not to take her? Now you then body shame like that. I know what you will do. Go put now mama will go put for your profile. She get grandchildren. She have plus my sister home. She has my mother has 6 grandchildren. Yes. That woman will go put for your profile. My mother have 6 grandchildren. A barren woman has no connection with grandchildren. But you don't pass these things. I don't pass if they laugh, you say not get document. And me quiet. Yeah.
Nah.
As document important. That's what actually important to me. I don't believe for this. Hello. I never see where person there before. They come say it's survived by France passport. I don't see where person there survived by 4 children, survived by 7 children. I have what money cannot buy. People they go different countries, go they buy documents, they'll do marriage, they'll get her. For me, I never see where person.
Imagine your friend there one day.
I beg if you did. Now all this phone, I say this one is the storm. I beg if you don't tell you. Go back to join this my own.
Okay.
Remember me over there. You don't bear children, you adopt. And no matter how you adopt a child, it's not your own. It's not your biology.
And the what we are doing.
I can be very nice and demonic at the same time. This is why I don't have friends. I only have friends. That day when I come, IVF, if your egg not stick, you know if you carry on. Surrogacy, no fit. Surrogate IVF still take process. Nonsense. Where you beg me? Where more? That's my side. We make the mommy Iyore. If you don't want me to mock you with a child, then you should have mocked me with the document. Because I want to laugh with that because you laugh. I will still use what people tell they laugh you. Tell Saga you now. Don't be one. Oh, one boy. Iyore.
So for me,
clock it.
No, you like platform Iyore. What you must forgive her.
A mommy never money. That's your mommy. A mommy never money. Now people will get when they call mommy. Omo akoda you when you swear. Mommy Iyore inside to where.
Ayeku.
They will get desperate to send you. You wanted to be answering mommy, but God said that. That make me not get document. We don't record down with also now we name one
we do na ruda or now anyway. They
Okay,
told him
we do they laugh people? Did you let they laugh? Say that's how you go be forever. With fita. Come fita for your district. The wear beat. The front page. Babola Ura wame. Unyo.
Wagi materi na ya wiyo body.
Iyore wa diemea.
Because why go then why do me matter? I do good.
I control and I platform when I.
Where were you born?
Oh, now because remember buying and I nya okay, my son, why you up here?
Wait, tell me where no share.
How old are you? You are 42 years.
Mama, do I put your wife time and we want
One Yore. Who they go
go control platform one day. Man,
except okay with the
oh, am I mistaken? No.
Now you get what you laugh. Now you dey laugh people. Now you can't laugh people. What did your wife say? Oh, I want to say we are there. We are temple make you now. We are temple the year again. O go get boy.
For my people we have here.
Yesterday we because they go ya na me be one fake consider you. But I just say okay. Not the bell that the women we me name be. Huh? We got down in Muja. When we go my egg in my bogbe, Yaga Monia. Erebo la menopause.
I woman, I'm more. Oga the Jojaji, Oga Ijoja,
while the menopause now, where do you two? She's 42 years. I'm older than her with 2 years. If you were to if you imagine where it is 46
platform, okay, I'm not going to go to the God.
I'm well to the not soft my back.
Okay, me and my you
the soft is my back.
But yes,
I need your help. Now hear me for the help.
Sister, we were
I need the help you.
When Mama Blue was telling her any platform of Iyore, on our way.
I go
But Origa, I just want
now
I was even I was told.
Now we are
apologize to no end. My hair.
Got to get my I can't love one of
this that's the thing, no but don't so papa no kaya ga kpo yo ne woto e na egbe ye Nigeria wa do pin e wa ni regbepo asure ma e pin we wa kpo yo ne
ya français ya yo we ya we
right no ya te
they don't use it to totally learn new thing no husband
you're a tiri on anybody no me what ya go
you told me we were active.
After all, catch another way your back body can be waiting and see what the bullet be. So you very good
any bad comment
no me what ya be. On your answer
send me your account now ya if I want to you your what give you
na me time there are meeting in the way ke follow us o ke no he o ke no ma he ke no he no na je wo na we ma kan ya na ya le ke no he no
me what give am
now so I want to ya where
because we are West Sebe
no market
one give go say leave but you know what no give give me my take that boss straight
bueno era ga social media wa Iyore ma le go na say
we are West Sebe
because some here better oba yon pa fi avia boda la wa wetin yan si lo wa
awe mebe awe gwe mu me awe ko dani mugia owo se na mebe dem na say maybe no laugh out maybe no laugh out he must to ya ye momo pure
ya sili ya ta pe oba yon pa ori e bo
you are jealous of my success on TikTok irire ugbo na baso wa no make time overshine you people and that is where jealousy comes from
Even screw egbera. Iye follow
You
us.
are going to YouTube. Why are you open to prison, man?
The royal know there. We mega.
Since we are waiting here, even
See, I
here.
see ya kukwe. We
Foundation money. If you donate any foundation money, why they ask me foundation money?
The great one. They give a chance. Enogie, I greet you. What's the way?
Anybody know wrong, honor apologize.
Enogie, they hear me.
Anybody know way.
Oh, when I talk about one, say I just leave my hair. Must you they reply everybody? They tell them to reply you. If you get it, time can every time. Never be a win.
Hello. Enogie, I did talk to you.
Yeah, you my brother.
I don't say the verse this morning. I beg. You don't tell what I tell you. I pray. This thing I want to tell you so. I pray me if he do one. This thing is very important because this is not the first time where I don't use this 500 to laugh you. This 500, Felicity, just give me 5 minutes. My take this thing. This is not the first time. This 500 where you didn't give you. This 500 it don't pass 10 times. Where the is a saga and Iyore does. I see video where Iyore do now say all the people who don't help, may they bring the money back to them. So definitely, if he talk about you, we start there. Me for beg you, Enogie, return that money to that woman. Return that money. Enogie, if you not return that money, see, listen to me, bro. Felicity. Mujane, Mawula no. Felicity. Mama Nora,
I return my cost to Iyore. He got Iyore. You get one comment and I will just pump on here. They say the money when they give Iyore when say want to go to school for Benin. Not 5 years do it. Say want to go to school for Benin.
School not be school. Say want build that for Indian yesterday.
Say want build that for Indian yesterday.
Collect the money. So we'll talk about that area. He don't fetch up all those money. Won't be that one be the problem. Now the problem is this 500 now. It don't the way that they talk this matter. Enogie, not be the money. Not the 500 will be a problem. Because see, if you return the money, you go see the narrative will still change. Because if not return now, they will see say some people see
not be money when they borrow president.
But see don't use the saga every time. Even that day, you don't first see the saga when you hear the 500 area we go now. You gonna yak bomb carry, you know, my brother. Enogie gonna yak bomb carry, you know, man. I know what they tell you. If you believe one, you gonna yak bomb and return that thing, man. Or go back the you be pass 500 bro. You gonna yak bomb carry, no man back. You give her the money, you the 5 euro by you have your be 505 euro.
Mona block Messi.
You put 5 euro journal for us.
Anywhere for see Messi.
You will be 505 euro. Enogie fairly comment section. How many people you feel block? Enogie, may I tell you the fact? I said, what will you be? We're learning no matter 500 react book for all the time. And on the 500 book, I work on my clear. Come out this side.
We know that country now.
Only we have that. So Iyore, see, may I quick send this message? I beg bloggers, gonna send this message. Mama Nora, where's the if old one we are going to listing. Let me make the old two have go there. I will list you old two. No give away. No give away. Me no that they tell you no give you that big. You be not be big celebrity for this app. We know everything. You understand me? So Mama Nora, since day way, Mama Nora, since day way, Enogie not to give her the money. Enogie still dey succeed for life. Even though say Enogie still give her the money, he go still succeed for life. You understand me? So you go no buy ya gbo waka. Ariye no buy, uriye no gbegbo wa. Ufi egbe. So Iyore, abeg, the message I want say for Iyore, anywhere your account dey. Anywhere Iyore account, they wanna bring the account come out.
Get where? David, that's yeah. I need to present next year on the giver. The money no go give. I get where?
I want more than
money no go enter into hand. No.
I want more than that.
No. I disagree. No go give hand. No.
You know what my wife talk about? My wife is really right. See the money here.
Because only we soon the man lad when you I know when you the film only wakana.
Enogie.
I'm a jobless man. Adam yo.
You see, you are bigger than the way else never pay you the bigger. Mama Nora. Iye otejane. Aso iye gbok kan gbok kan ya gbok. We no return here. Hello, Monica. Enogie. Oga mo we na mo Monica. Say we Monica that category fi egbin ya.
Hello,
did they went to
Monica
video? There was a man.
Egbin and Magdalene and Monica. When they told me.
Okay, all right. I will tell you what I did. Monica pay my Monica.
Monica return me when they are.
My return on the Monica to pay my. That was Monica. Iyore na don't get too much.
You know what
Make it video. Make it for that thing when she do no good.
Iyore gwale Igor no ya si oya me koto.
That man vex.
No, contribute. We not contribute anything. I would have money.
The first work no soon. They are paying the first work. The first when you are paying, continue. We are paying the first work. The first when you are paying, you are continue to where we are.
That's my money.
But the man mean as how you tell me go. Because you give an your word to say you don't give my money back. You don't give my money back.
Don't give her. When I have so.
The solution on me okay ya.
When I have so.
Solution really needs so
I agree the house man. Why we encourage it? I agree to my brother. Don't please, any song we man like it. Why don't say man like it? Monica, Ogioba, we're going when you're not you were and the principal.
You are a very good friend, right? That is why
if you have a swear, you are not hearing me. You are not hearing me.
That's what I'm talking about. I will arrest you. We are going to go and see.
if I contribute to the easy boy we have no sagami. Abeg, here we know. You have to worry, but we do tell me back. While you go and I see Awa, idine. Tell me, where to any time Monica? What's in that time Monica? Today. Monica now.
Okay, Enogie, I want to ask you one question. More have people they watch us here. People when they watch us, more reason one thing. Make if na one man no give her the money, when I say yes. If na one man no give her, when I say no. More look at comment section. No give more fellow comment section. If na one man no give her the money, when I say yes. If na one man no give her, when I say no.
Yeah, river.
That one is choice.
Because they don't need to Saga, my brother. Yeah, Saga.
Now today,
Iya donate Nigo Iyore no ya here. Idiani yes get primary school make. I donate Nigo Iyore no the bed. I donate Nigo no the bed.
Mudiane Enogie we mi okpa. Ujebe we nu we make na support Iyore. Oya do tie we do yin ya we. Do ya be 500,000 inu.
God bless you. Ivie Yemire.
Nu we make na support e be gani.
Majority of all these people where they follow us so they don't follow us go this thing.
Yawo no eri ne, say me no give am, leave am, yawo no eri ne. Ola no give am, no give am.
He won't collect me to drop me go back.
She not get level, she's an Ogion bar.
Iyore, awo mi go.
Na we me wonu edo prison. Iyore ki Ogion bar so.
Awo mi go. If the matter you believe you, me it the by the matter. Yeah, you never went there you well.
I'm a jobless man oh.
Yeah, when you go tell him I go 500 to work back, you go to work back 500, you know.
I'm a jobless man.
Yeah, when you know Iyore so
na we ni e go ya no move obi ya do no ya fian. When no move go ni we begin.
I'm a jobless man. Oh. I want to be a jobless man. Who is ready to buy my polo? Hello? Who is ready to buy my polo?
Ya de polo, Iyore no Ogion buy my polo la ti here ye de ama we no Ogion buy ya dog we bi je ya dog we.
Oh, la bo ya le pastor Grace o ya here.
Ya de. Ya wa vie 10 go me or 10 or 100.
Iye idia o. You feel better.
Yeah, we are the 100.
Only the Austria branch. Well, a France branch are you? I think France branch.
We understand. Now so
the France branch in Iyore.
Don't
prison. Iyore no Ogion buy you t-shirt la di when at the here there. Ama go bi je me na Ogion buy.
Mujane, what's your zone ya we? Sawe no so we. Sawe no so we we.
You know what he do for that woman
here. Sawe no get we mudia. Sawe no so we. O we tally badge keka yen o. O we marry France badge. We marry Holland badge. O we Iyore no worry. You go na o we Iyore no worry you go na we na ya bo one Indian yesige. Ki go toke ya Iyore ri ya. O wona me dori o we ge o na we na ye wa mi na awe na use for
Iyore na mi go ni o ya pon me kigbo.
Mo dia ne o pon me ki ayan ri ya. Now ana we ye wa mi na Indian yesige we na you ume salt and water me dey use na sanitize the Edo state. He be able to now I was sanitize Edo state. He cut his severe wa duna ana okay. I sanitize the poni ya we cut his igbele ma se. Iyore ma sanitize himself dey no sanitize. Iyore ma sanitize. Iyore no sanitize get osawe no so gina we. Iyore igo ni donate na de ume na azele le doya. Ama mi go rokpa.
Doya azele le do.
Iyore we owe no ne secretary Lagos wi oba. Amaka wi oba je secretary always secretary of Yoruba. Of Yoruba mo fo mi.
Doctor mi ara we ga ni doctor no.
So okay, oyibe se hukmo. Iyore na okay, yen we ye mi na o. Awe dia ni esige we na hukmo gin ni we do ya hukmo. Now ana mutali badge ne so we no zo gini organizer ni. Oni na mi here wo. E mi here ke kan wa mi Iyore na wa jolo se. Iyore na wa jolo Iyore ma be sia no be mi here sise. Iyore hege yen we kare ne. You we so we no go
very greedy.
Very greedy. Umadio ni here no ni wa here ogo ni wa ve. Ogi wa ve here.
Iyore na go na.
Don't please Mudiane, me want ask our viewers when they watch. If you to no work in this nana. I want to me vie don't please my arima. E Iyore we ejuleti your ma matemata. I just need yes or no in the comment section.
Emma will be Emma ba bi Iyore.
So we no so egi.
Ejuleti only yen pe no ro. Iyen pe mistress.
Ogo ni yen pe ni e mo do sell at. Ogo ni yen pe ni only if our fawa now.
At the end of the day,
if I not moti.
Only fawa o.
See, And they beg if you the other day say, man, may leave Juliet. Because that woman don't they do film for more than 30 years. Or maybe 1 million naira there. For all the money they don't give her for movie.
Enogie, might tell you something. Might tell you something.
But Enogie, I said to you go, where everyone know here, me and I again, you understand that kind of thing? Okay, Enogie, you know one thing you like you ever. Et don't priest in a wa my va. Et don't priest. Yeah, every man do it. Ma wa me work but film me fear me if you know if you want to na normal thing. But do you know one thing I love about you? Don Prince, Iyeki, and so many other presenters in my Facebook. No, if you back get guaro. That is why we continue to love you people.
Why they talk like that? Why we go fit get guaro?
Enogie, man, when you say, man, when saga say you need that, I still remember don't get agree. And you tani ki we oh ye back on now. Oh my do on it there. Awa wa. Oh my na go mazwo. Of your back.
Almost on your man swear for the those bas people.
Man I swear.
On va money ki a. Wo boere is your godson. But wait up.
Godson, oh your ba ye godson. I got no man na your ba na godson.
The priest, we're quite if you were almost one day.
If I oh, if again almost one man cap. I almost was. I will go by what almost was saying and Kagabo. Even almost was almost what almost is a chameleon.
Why did
you go back? Gadu wagon? Again, or Saga chief and the palace for the back. A kick him up by care. Again, you ever it's very position.
Where position?
Yes, you are old too now. But if here's your senior colleague.
Yeah, but even if you want to it's overtaking is allowed. Overtaking is allowed.
Social media.
Yeah, but to pursue your area again, you have one.
When we started our live stream on Facebook, right? At least the way if you say the start I joined the first set of the people that started this thing.
Exactly.
Social media president, because of say you did here, so may I respect her. Monica, Lolo,
after you it was me.
Yes.
This time
No. You hear yes when you come 2017. Sorry.
No, Enogie. Again, one act me one again. Boy, Iyore. One me we video ne.
No.
I
didn't get there. No. If you.
No.
I used 2 years. 2 years. They pass you for.
Nah. Enogie. Okay, that one nah. Now be say you don't remember. I go remember you some kind of things. That we all be the first day. That we all Baba. Obije, the first day, wana akpe jita, wabi yase. Ina do comment. Anye gani, wana saga epa social media president. Wa yere. Dami onya, agani o meme so doni dami onya we dami ime. Wana akpe jita. So, Ida do comment. The first day ni comment. Una we ona if you know we live video. If
me and you first started to present.
Now you, now me they talk so. Now you now.
Now the same okay, which year we start?
Now the same year.
Which year we start?
You get 216 West winner. 216 West 216. Mena we swim to Damio again you buy yak bada wana kawe a drama.
That January 2017 you start.
No, na 2016. Me they do video. Me don't do more than 10-15 video. When me come enter your life in the one that they play guitar, now you can say if you not ga. Now there you can say if you be this now can't go the join now. But the time when me come really test start say back that was 2017. I was doing video already. Everybody when I me. You understand the way?
If you may ask you a question.
Hey, don't please not there. Where the
how many people first you start? How many people first you start?
Epa social media president Iyore and Nitswani say Imaya don't see one no lekia Enogie Stellas was the Damia Stellas Epa social media president Stellas Iyore Lord lekia but again now big bogano King Chacha Imaya do we makwe on in a King Chacha no gabe Holland no marebo obi gbora ni King Chacha Enogie me I know there was that dollar there. We must saga why you in Nigeria and from commons we in Nigeria again we now we go but to go na the social media we go there phone
we mudia e boy na we no mo ki alaja
Mama Gladys no mo there phone
what what here ni okay we drama what what boy na self me na tie ni what boy na me na tie ni Enogie e ma ya me saga ni no agba we meet o what here
Ugo rebe no de na Ugo do opposite man na Ugo re do asaga ma wo bi ma to agbene ma wa sheke ya Ugo came yesterday Ugo you Ugo come here no Ugo come here ko gwe kebe
okay mujane u wa ya fefe na they not succeed the way
succeed that ka bi je me ne me ma onu social media na succeed me mami succeed we succeed ni
That was a very good question. You go still name the people who succeed. Why they do like this, my partner?
Social media succeed. Okay. Social media succeed. Number 1, Iyore. Number 2, Enogie. Apart from here, Mami Omabe. So that Enogie of the celebrity. Here, the celebrity game almost our fear.
Social media president Kenya we want major no give Iyore by what succeed
succeed but later Parenthood you na me we understand ana tell me succeed
we mama hotel the formula there hotel we
Parenthood succeed money when the tepa na kebe na deputy we succeed power be big over
so one mission
but even till now they are but they are ne o tepa na a deputy Epa use that place take blow Epa no use social media take blow no dey talk true if I use that take blow as a money side you understand the very well again ni no be a social media president I don't you understand I mean woni ya we name must stop
the
don't president no be 2022 abi 2025 the president
Enogie ya ata me we me social media na overtake it
which year you come
the president na last
2020
see the president 2020 oh
yes because almost will come 2021 not truth
no the president almost will fair come no the president
almost will carry
ko gwe
yeah
the president
2020 make case one ko ni my active presenter
let where you came right
he was not violent.
A presenter make be for time presenter me go wa
mama me 2022 mama boya do ya on we do ya lati
ma bun wa na ma na ya bun so
anyway the prince came to limelight in 2021 December
exactly
2021 because During that time, you now have your Vera.
Exactly.
So my brother, oh, Emma Bunai, again. I saw a lim light. It don't be industry. Even a lim light again. I mean,
all of us was now few of us.
I don't call the media now. Well, I need the media in now. We don't give it. I need the media in now.
Now, presently,
yeah,
I must
those about space. Yeah, those about space.
I must join now.
I know. You will be one. Okay.
No, prison. When life is over, that body man meaning we will like.
Enogie,
I'm a presenter for Naira.
If you question.
I know they do it every day. For limelight.
If you have them yourself, if you wait, Enogie. Okay, Enogie. I want to ask you one question. Wait, now ask you one question. May I ask you this question? If they ask you now for, say, maybe the white interview now say, Enogie, name 5 Edo presenter where they lim light for Edo Sabah space. Enogie, name
without being biased.
Without being biased for Edo Sabah space.
Okay. When you mean limelight, people will say the ring, right?
Yeah, for Edo Sabah space.
Okay, voice of Edo. People say the rain presently, not be. Nah. 2026. They say me it 2026. People always still lim light. Me, if you need for the kind of fight which they fight for Palace, okay. You, okay.
Not be you. They mention name.
Where the bar. Iyore, forgetting our bar. I think one other person still doing.
You are not saying one other person. No man knows when.
Almost we are tired.
If you Emily.
Can go away. Monica. She's still on. Don't forget a trend now. Mo just talk on the way it be. Mo go straight to the point.
It's not going to be our league.
But
you not there our league. We talk about.
No, if your mama you not there our league now. If your mama you West Saga, is it Obijeme? Only West Saga Obijeme no ma bagmo.
Monica with number 5.
Yeah, nah, you're number 1. You're number 2.
Enogie, I went at matter. Forget to go Moswo, your band, Moswo, trade is Enogie, Iyeki, Titoki, that matter. Moswo trade.
When you want no. Where you
Moswo trade it, forget to go, man. Moswo trade is Yeti.
Why you trade it? Only be what trade is or back here.
Moswo trade is.
Yeah, trade is or back here.
Facebook and I cover the TikTok, cover the trade. Very, very important.
Very important, but when there's on a row, I tell mostly when they don't please, so we get no get when they don't please, we get where tell Never. But okay, someone who back with the Utama. May wa go be jeme do prisi wa mu o pe wa ladia o ye na o wo ye son we make a friend na we jeme di jeme na bi e o we o gi mi me na wa de tukun ije Ibaga edia o we da wa go na wo gi mi me o sa lo bo la wo mi me to e be o we don prisi o wo gi mi me wa o sa lo bo e da ni ina wa gi He get away don't please tell we West Saga now we have your bonnet. Don't please Natana get what na. O vi me na epun gwete e me ani me bia na epun we.
Who are talent?
Ama yeke wa ama.
Ejebo,
o ge Saga ya wo vi me me bia me ani me bia na epun gwete. Emi ba panu rita don prisa gwe mo. Iyore kuyata no ye dey eta we don
we make you listen now. We give me go on. We queen me go on a problem. The carry was so much when you go on. We may mute you. Very 1 minute.
My mute.
Okay now. Okay, we can listen to you. We can listen now. We listen now. We listen. We mute. So now we have a topic in la javegeni. Veni meje me sugusu uveya. Masa me sugusu no information me. So now there was a person we have sugusu go pa very however. No got information me ni ya. Oga tu we la javegeni. We do tawe o ga no. If evidence la jana.
The principle dia go egun. Iwa ladia ina do debunk him na ni yahuta. The prince of me not dio. A train or donaji.
No, the guy is strong. The guy is strong. He was strong.
Damn, you only go work, my brother. Very me go work one we may not do. Other apartment. With a girlfriend or a
woman anyway. Or when okay win.
The prince me atamu bena. Niya la Australia. If we are sitting in Medina, igwe any Nigerian mobile. Nobody knows me. I don't hear anyway. That is saga for you. Anybody can just come because we or hate him, can just say anything. But when I will be to repeat him any, or say he not a tear, but you don't do things like that. You don't do things like that. Even men they are responsible.
If you watch the topic in Enogie.
Imagine they will change
it.